Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am from Bharia College SPNET. It's your math lecture for class 5. Today we are going to revise our topic perimeter. The question is, what is perimeter? It is the sum of all sides of two-dimensional shape. We can find out the perimeter of closed figure. If you have to find out the perimeter of rectangle, the formula is perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth. If the length of a triangle is 3 cm and the breadth is 2 cm, just put the value of length and breadth. Firstly, we add the length and breadth. Write 2 as it is. 3 plus 2, 5 cm. Then we multiply by 2 because each opposite side of rectangle have the same length. 2 5s are 10. Write centimeter because the unit of perimeter is centimeter. Now, if you have to find out the length and the perimeter and breadth are given. Perimeter is 10 centimeter. Breadth is 2 centimeter. Firstly, write down the formula. In the right side of the formula, 2 is multiplying to the bracket. So as we all know that the value which is multiplied in one side will divide to the opposite side. So take 2 in the denominator of perimeter. And as we have to find out the value of L, and here B is adding, when we take it to the left hand side, it will be subtracted from the another number. Now put the value of breadth and the perimeter. Ten divided by 2 equal to 5 centimeter minus 2 centimeter equal to L. 5 minus 2, 3. The unit of length is 3 centimeter. So the length is 3 centimeter. Now to find out the perimeter of square, the formula is perimeter equal to 4L. As we know that each side of a square have same length. So 4L's mean length of 4 equal side. Now if the length of a square is 3 centimeter, just put the value of length. 4 3s are 12 centimeter is the unit of perimeter. Now the perimeter of this square is 12 centimeter. If P is given, centimeter, and find out the length. Now write the formula of perimeter of square. Now look at the right hand side. 4 is multiplying by L. Now we take 4L to the left hand side. Here 4 will divide the perimeter. Now put the value of perimeter. 12 divided by 4 equal to 3 centimeter. Student, you can see that length equal to 3 centimeter of this square. If you have to find out the perimeter of composite shape, just add all the outer sides of the shape. Students, with the help of these examples, you can easily solve the exercise of perimeter. Okay students, thank you. Allah Hafiz.